Second example, solve the equation 1/2 t equal -7. How can we solve this? Solve mean get the value of t. How can we solve this? We said write 1/2 t equal -7. What is the reason? It's given. We said the main idea to get the value of t. How? You must get rid of 1/2. How can we get rid of 1/2? We divide, inverse the operation, it's multiplication. So I will divide it by 1/2, or this is mean I will multiply by reciprocal. So I will multiply by 2 in both of sides, okay? So I will multiply by 2 and multiply here by 2 in both of sides. What is the reason of this? Multiplication property of the equality. When we get the answer, we called it simplify. So we will simplify, divided by 2, simplify. Here it will be 1 times t equal 2 times -7. Positive times negative, it will be negative, and 2 times 7, it will be 14. It's simplify, okay? Like algebra, geometry also uses numbers, variable, and operations. For example, segment lengths and the angle measures are numbers. So you can use these same properties of equality to write algebraic proof in geometry. Okay, so we can use the algebraic proof in geometry. AB represent, if we didn't write this indicate or this tick before above the AB, this is mean we speak about the length of AB. So the length of AB. So you can think of AB as variable representing a number, okay? Right. Justification for each step. What is the information here give you? All these. The length of NO equal 4x minus 4. And the length of NM equal 2x. And the length of MO equal 3x minus 9. Okay? So the total 4x minus 4. And this is the first part and this is the second part. Such as we said before. What? The total equal part plus part. So the total equal part plus part. So what is the total? All of these. We called it NO. So NO equal NM plus NO. So the length of NO equal the length of NM plus the length of MO. This is segment addition postulate. Segment addition postulate. When we add part plus part, we get the total segment, okay? I substitute. What does the meaning of substitute or substitution property of equality means? Instead of the name or the length of this, I substitute by the expression represent it. So what does the expression represent in the length of NO? 4x minus 4 equal. What is the length represent NM? The length of NM is 2x and plus 3x minus 9. Okay? I combined like terms together. So this is simplify. I write 4x as it minus 4 equal 2x and 5x. We can combine them. We can add them together. So 2x plus 3x equal 5x minus 9. Now what will we do? we will combine x together and the number together. This is mean, what is the meaning of this? I subtracted 4 from here and subtracted 4 from here to get rid of 4x from this side. Okay, this is correct. I subtracted 4x and I subtracted 4x from here. So 4x minus 4x, it will be 0. So what is the rest? Negative 4 equal 5x minus 4x. What is the result? Here it will be 5 minus 4, it will be 1x minus 5. So what I did here, I use subtraction property of equality. What he did here, he add, we need to isolate x, so you must get rid of this. How? By inverse operation. It's subtraction, so I will add 9 here and add 9 here. So by addition property of equality, here negative 4 plus 9, different sign, put the sign for the greater and subtract. 9 minus 4 equal 5, and here minus 9, here negative 9 plus 9, it will be 0. So the result, it will be 5 equal x. So this is addition property of equality.